Have you opened it? Okay. This is regarding multiplication note. One see. Already I gave this one, Nana. Who didn't write? Now you take screenshot. Later you copy this. Where you have to write? In your math notebook. Okay, ma? You have to write in your math notebook. Take screenshot. Later you copy this page. Because already I showed to you. Okay. Now, regarding that first topic, 1 point is left. Now you write that point. Now you start writing. The numbers being multiplied are called the factors. What we call, Nana? Factors. Write that one. The next page. Start writing this one. The numbers being multiplied are called the factors. The numbers being multiplied are called the factors. Means what numbers we are multiplying are called factors. Answering the multiplication is called product. You have to remember these points. What numbers we are multiplying are called factors, and the result means answering the multiplication is called product. Completed? Only 1 point now. The numbers being multiplied are called the factors. Okay, Nana? Now, next page. Okay, Nana, this is regarding properties of multiplication. What is that? Properties of multiplication. Okay, keep the heading. Properties of multiplication. Start writing. Keep the heading. This is page number 72 in the textbook. This topic from page number 72. Keep the heading properties of multiplication. Keep the heading properties of multiplication. Okay, Nana? Now, first point. Order property of multiplication. order property of multiplication. Okay, Nana. In that order property example, 2 into 3. So here 2 is first number, 3 is second number. If you observe here, 3 places first and 2 places second. So before 2 places first and here 2 places second, means there is a change in the order. Okay, 2 into 3, 3 into 2. But 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are also 6. So if we change the order, there is no change in the result in the multiplication. In the multiplication, if we change the order, there is no change in the result. Second example, 4 into 5. 5 into 4. In these two cases, 4 into 5, 5 into 4. In both cases, we will get answer 20. 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are also 20. Yes, we are changing the order. Or here 4 first, but here 4 second. Here 5 first, sorry, 5 second. In this case, 5 first. So if we change the order also, there is no change in the result. That is the first property. Next, second property. Multiplicative property of 1. What is the second property? Already I explained these 3 properties in the before class. Multiplicative property of 1. Okay, example. 3 into 1. When we multiply with 1, we will get the same number. So here 3. We are multiplying 1 with 3. So same number 3 you will get. The next example also, here we are multiplying 1 with 4. Don't think that 1 should be the second number. Okay, in the multiplication, we should need 2 numbers. In that, if one number is 1 means the remaining number will get as answer. 1 into 4. So 4 is the answer. 1 4s are 4. So when we multiply with 1, we get the same number. So in the question, if you see the 1, in the multiplication, if you see the 1, the remaining number will be the answer. That is the second property. Next, third one. Multiplicative property of 0. Multiplicative property of 0 means when we multiply the number with 0, we will get the 0 as answer. Okay. So in the multiplication, If you see 0, automatically the answer will become 0. In the question, if you see 0, answer also will become 0. Remember that one. In the question 0 is there means answer also we can get 0. 3 into 0, 3 zeros are 0. Next one, 0 into 4, 0 into 4, 0 fours are 0. So just you observe here, in the question if 0 is there, answer also 0 only. In the question 1 means answer will be the same number. What the second number? Here 3 into 1, so 3 is the answer. Here second number is 4, so answer is also 4. Don't confuse for second and third property. If you look at the 0 in the question, automatically the answer will become 0. If you see the 1 in the question, automatically the same number will become the answer. Okay, Nana, have you finished? Okay. If you not write, take screenshot. Later you copy this. If you finish that, just close your notebook and open your textbook, page number 73. Exercise 3 in the textbook, Nana. If you finish that, close your notebook. Exercise 3, page number 73. Page number 73, textbook, Nana. If you finish that note, close your notebook. Okay, now open your textbook, exercise 3, page number 73. Fill in the blanks. Shall I close this one? If not right, just take screenshot. Later you copy this. Term 1 textbook now not possible, Nana, to show. And term 2 textbook already pattern and money chapter completed. So and multiplication chapter I will show at the end. Okay, now Dimple. Just once you ask your friends. What, Dimple? You don't like maths? What you did all these days? Why you didn't write? Okay. Now open page number 73. Open page number 73. Exercise 3. Fill in the blanks, ma. Look at the first one. 6 into 9 is equal to 9 into blank. Basing on what property we have to say the answer, Nana? What property we have to use here? Order property. What is the first property? Order property. First property is order property. Okay. Now here, look at the first number 6. Look at the first number here 6. This is the first number. 9 is the second number. Now the same 9 is repeated here. That is the first number. Can you tell me what is the second number? What number is missed is this side? Equal to before, equal to after. Can you tell me what number is missed? What number is missed, Nana? 6. So write 6. Just here 6 is the first number. In this case 6 is the second number. First number, second number. Just change in the order. That is the first blank. Now second one. Second one. Second one. Just to observe here, Nana. In the answer means product here. Okay. So what is there? 0. When you will get 0? When you will get the 0? In the question, if 0 is there, automatically the answer will become 0. Yes. So what is the answer here? What is the answer here, Nana? In the answer 0 means in these two number, one number should be 0. Yes. So one number is here 8. Okay, what is this another number? 0. Then only we can get the 0 in the answer. So for the second blank, 0 is the answer. Okay. Now next one. Now look at the third one. Here first number is 5. You don't know the second number. Just you observe. Answer means product. What is the answer here? 5. So first number is 5. Answer also 5. Same number. When we get the same number, then we multiply with 1. When we multiply with 1, we get same number. So what is the answer, Nana? 5. Sorry, 1. What is the answer? 1. Remember that in the question 0 is there means automatically the answer will become 0. That is multiplicative property of 0. This one. When you get the same number as answer, one number should be 1. One number should be 1. Then only we can get same number as answer. Okay, ma? Next one. Fourth one. 12 into 1. 12 into 1. So if you observe here, one number is 1. When you multiply with 1, what answer you can get? What answer you will get, Nana? Same number. What is that same number? 12. 12 ones are 12. Right? 12. 12 ones are 12. Okay. Now next one. Fifth one. Fifth one. 9 into blank is equal to 3 into 9. In this case, what I told, equal to before what numbers are there, equal to after what numbers, means you have to use order property. Okay. So equal to before 9 is there, you don't know other number. Equal to after 3 and 9. What number is missed here? What number is missed here, Nana? 3. What number is missed? 3. So write 3. Right? 3. Yes, fifth one. Next, sixth one. 0 into 2. 0 into 2. Okay. So what you have to observe here, in the question 0 is there. In the question 0 means, what is the answer, Nana? What is the answer? 0. If 0 is there in the question, answer also will become 0. 0 twos are 0. 2 zeros are 0. Okay. So what is the answer? 0. Write 0. Next, seventh one. Dash into 11 is equal to 0. Seventh one, Nana. Here, number is missed. Second number is 11. What is the answer? 0. What is the answer? 0. When you will get 0? When you will get 0? If 0 is there in the question, automatically the answer will become 0. Okay? When you will get 0? When you will get 0, Nana? In the question 0 is there means then we will get 0. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 0. That is the seventh one. Next, eighth one. 9 into 1. 9 into